In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook account to Hootsuite. By the end, you'll be ready to schedule posts, manage comments, and track performance from one place without switching tabs. Let's begin by logging into Hootsuite. Open your browser, go to the Hootsuite website, and sign in with your usual credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can get in quickly. Once you're on your dashboard, you're ready for the next step. Now, navigate to the area where Hootsuite manages your connected profiles. Look for a menu option labeled Social Accounts or Connected Accounts. Depending on your version or layout, this may appear in the main sidebar or under your settings or profile menu. Open that section so you can add a new social network. From the list of supported networks, choose Facebook as the account you want to connect. You'll typically see an option like Add, Connect, or a Facebook icon. Click that to start the connection flow. This tells Hootsuite you want to link to Facebook and opens the secure authorization process. A Facebook sign-in window will appear. If a pop-up doesn't show, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow it for the site. Sign in to your Facebook account using your usual login. Make sure you're logging into the profile that has access to the Facebook page or assets you plan to manage in Hootsuite. If you're already signed in, Facebook may skip this and move straight to permissions. Next, review and allow the required permissions for pages, publishing, and management. These permissions enable Hootsuite to create and schedule posts, retrieve page information, and help with comment, moderation, and inbox features. It's best to grant the requested access so everything works smoothly. You can always review what's been granted in your Facebook settings later if you need to adjust anything. Once you approve, return to Hootsuite and confirm the connection. You should now see Facebook listed among your social accounts in the dashboard. Look for the Facebook icon and the name of your connected asset to verify it's active. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or revisit the connected account section to confirm. If you still don't see it, try signing out and back in, or check that the correct Facebook profile is authorized and that you allowed all required permissions. That's it. You've connected Facebook to Hootsuite. From here, you can start creating posts, scheduling content, and monitoring engagement, all from your Hootsuite dashboard. Thanks for watching and happy posting.